This is a review of the Garmin Forerunner 55. Before we start, Forerunner 55 Pro's accurate tracking for steps, sleep and heart rate. Ability to control music, easy-to-read screen, Forerunner 55 cons low-resolution display, small bezel that provides very little protection to the display, available only in one case size, which is 42 mm, sleep tracking not available on the Forerunner 55 watch itself. Who is the Garmin Forerunner 55 ideally suited to? It is ideally suited to beginners and intermediate runners who want a budget-friendly, very easy-to-use running watch with basic smartwatch capabilities. Overall, I would give this smartwatch a rating of 4.5 out of 5 as it has a decent number of features for the price. Another factor, which is a personal preference, is I really like the design. And now for the Forerunner 55 review. Design and build quality. The Garmin Forerunner 55 or FR55 is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable running watch. Material and aesthetics. The watch features a sleek, round 1.04-inch diameter face with a silicone band available in 3 colors: black, white and aqua. The 42 mm case size is a good compromise, being large enough to show a reasonable level of detail but not overpowering smaller wrists. Comfort and durability. The strap is adjustable and provides a comfortable fit, even during long runs. The watch itself is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities with a water resistance rating of up to 50 meters. The watch weighs only 37 grams, making it lightweight and easy to wear for extended periods. Ease of use. The 5 buttons on the watch are intuitive and easy to use, allowing for quick access to various functions and settings. However, please note, the Forerunner 55 does not offer interchangeable bands, which may be a drawback for some users. Display. The Garmin Forerunner 55 display is a mixed bag, offering both strengths and weaknesses. On the positive side, the watch features an always-on display, which allows for easy viewing in direct sunlight. Additionally, the display is designed to be easy to read, with a color scheme that is both visually appealing and functional. However, the display itself is relatively low resolution, with a pixel density of 208 x 208 pixels and a pixel density of 200 pixels per inch. This can make detailed data fields and graphics appear somewhat pixelated. Performance and software. The Garmin Forerunner 55 performance and software has both good and bad points. On the positive side, the watch features a robust app ecosystem with compatibility with both iPhone and Android devices. The Garmin Connect app provides seamless integration and allows for easy tracking and analysis of various fitness metrics. Additionally, the watch includes several unique software features such as incident detection and Garmin assistance, which can be life-saving in emergency situations. However, the watch's processor and RAM specifications are somewhat limited, which can lead to occasional lag and slow navigation. While the watch is generally responsive, it can take a moment to load certain screens or functions, which may be frustrating for some users. User experience and interface. The smartwatch offers a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. The Garmin Forerunner 55 setup process is straightforward, and the initial configuration is simple. The watch features a clean and intuitive design, with clear labels and easy-to-use buttons. The customizability options are limited compared to higher-end Garmin watches, but users can still personalize watch faces and settings through the Garmin Connect app. One of the major advantages of the Forerunner 55 is its ease of use. The watch is designed specifically for outdoor activities, and the interface reflects this focus. The watch provides clear and concise information about the user's performance during activities. This allows users to focus on their activities without being distracted by complex settings or features they may not need. However, some users may find the watch's interface to be somewhat basic compared to higher-end smartwatches. Battery life. The Garmin Forerunner 55 battery life is a mixed bag, with both positive and negative aspects. On the positive side, the watch boasts an impressive claimed battery life of up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and up to 20 hours in GPS mode. This allows users to go several days between charges, which is convenient for those who don't want to constantly worry about their watch's power level. Additionally, the watch features power-saving modes that can further extend the battery life. A few users have experienced the battery drain much faster than expected, with the watch struggling to last even a full day in some cases. This inconsistency in battery life can be frustrating, especially for those who rely on the watch for extended outdoor activities. The charging time for the Forerunner 55 is relatively quick, with the watch able to reach a full charge in around 2 hours. However, we wish it had wireless charging like the Apple Watches, but it doesn't. Health and fitness tracking. This Garmin smartwatch offers robust health and fitness tracking features, but with some limitations. The Garmin Forerunner 55 activity tracking and heart rate monitoring are both more accurate than its predecessor, namely Garmin Forerunner 45. Activity tracking includes steps, distance, and calories burned. The built-in Garmin Forerunner 55 GPS is also reliable, providing precise location tracking during outdoor activities. The watch supports 18 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and yoga, which are effective in tracking progress and providing personalized recommendations. However, the Forerunner 55 lacks some advanced features, such as sleep tracking on the watch itself. Users must check sleep data on the Garmin Connect app. Additionally, the watch does not support responding to text messages, which may be a drawback for some users. The integration with health apps and platforms is generally good, but the choice of third-party apps available through the Garmin Connect IQ store is somewhat limited compared to higher-end Garmin watches. Connectivity and compatibility. The Garmin Forerunner 55 offers robust connectivity and compatibility features. The watch features seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for easy pairing with both Android and iOS devices. The watch also supports Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring that users can stay connected even without a cellular connection. However, the watch lacks cellular connectivity, which may be a drawback for some users who want to stay connected without relying on their smartphone. Additional features: the Garmin Forerunner 55 includes NFC for contactless payments, making it easy to make purchases on the go. Additionally, the watch features built-in speakers and a microphone, allowing users to take calls and use voice assistants like Garmin's own voice assistant, Garmin Assistant. The watch also includes storage capacity for music and apps, allowing users to store and play their favorite tunes or download additional apps. Price and value for money. The Garmin Forerunner 55 offers a compelling combination of features and value for money. With a retail price between USD 180 and USD 200 depending on the seller, it is an affordable option for those looking for a GPS-enabled smartwatch with a good number of features.